In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members in Whimsical. If you're a Whimsical user wanting to enhance collaboration by bringing your team on board, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can easily and effectively invite your colleagues to join you in Whimsical. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Whimsical login page. You can do this by typing whimsical.com/login directly into the address bar. Upon reaching the login page, go ahead and log in with your account credentials, be it your email address and password or a third-party login like Google. This will bring you to your main Whimsical dashboard, your creative playground. Once you're logged in, you'll want to select the correct account if you have multiple ones. This ensures that you're working within the right space and are able to access the projects and templates you need. If your browser has saved your login information, selecting the correct account should be a breeze. After logging in and selecting your account, the next step is to locate the board you wish to share. Your projects and boards should be visible on your dashboard. Simply click on the board you want to collaborate on. This will open the board, giving you a full view of its contents and the ability to make modifications. Next, you're going to click on the Share button. This option is generally located near the top right corner of your board's screen. By clicking Share, you'll access the sharing options available for your board. This feature is key to collaborating within Whimsical as it opens up various ways to connect others to your work. Once you're in the Share menu, you have two primary choices. The first is to copy the sharing link. You'll see an option that allows you to copy link. Click this button and the link to your board will be copied to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into an email, a chat, or wherever you'd like to share it with your teammates. This option is perfect for quickly giving access to multiple people who have the link. Alternatively, you can directly invite team members by typing their Whimsical account names or email addresses into the invite field beside the share options. As you type, Whimsical may suggest contact information based on your previous collaborations. This method is great for targeting specific individuals and ensuring the right people are notified and granted access to your board. And there you have it. A straightforward way to bring your team into Whimsical, making collaboration seamless and efficient. By following these steps, you're well on your way to a more synergized and productive workflow. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.